Within GoodData, there are several explainability capabilities that support user understanding of AI models. We will explore examples by user persona. First, for analytics developers and data scientists, we have a static description of the algorithms. Users can also explore and customize the code directly with Python. And the third layer is the ability to view the prompts and responses exchanged between GoodData and the LLM, which is what I'm demoing here on the screen. For augmented consumer and business analysts, two examples are GoodData's key driver analysis functionality, shown here, that provides a natural language explanation to the user about the insight being shown. Additionally, if we switch to the home page, there is data story functionality that contains explanations about the personalized generated insights.